Welcome to Baking for Beginners. So this is a series that's really great for people that maybe don't bake too much, have never baked before, or you've baked but for some reason you keep mucking things up and you don't know why. So today, let's talk about parchment circles. Parchment paper in general is one of your best tools in the kitchen. In regards to cake, it's your fail-safe for getting the cake out of the pan in one piece. It's actually even better than butter and flour. You could buy pre-cut parchment circles for cake, but it's kind of limiting considering all the other non-circular parchment uses in the kitchen. So I suggest buying a roll. So there's two ways to cut a parchment circle. The first way, which I think is a little bit slower, but very effective, is to use a pencil. Outline the outside of the cake pan. Easy enough. Okay, once you have the outline, you just cut it out. So you want to keep in mind that you outlined the outside of the pan. You're lining the inside of the pan. So when you're cutting it, take in consideration that 1/8 of an inch difference and cut inside the line. So there it is. Nice parchment circle, perfectly round, and should fit right in your pan. So the other way to cut a parchment circle for your cake pan is to fold it. I think it's a little faster, but I might just be used to it at this point. So you're just gonna take the parchment and fold it in half. Just keep folding from that center point until it's pretty narrow. At this point, flip over your cake pan and you're gonna use it as a guide. So somewhere in the center, you don't have to be perfect. You're going to line up the point and then again, take in consideration that little bit of thickness that is the wall of the pan and just cut inside of that. All right, from there you unfold it and it will fit into your pan. Now you're ready to make a cake. Stay tuned to Lifehacker for some more baking tips and tricks.